Welcome to Mumbai Indians Fan TV. After a last match debacle, today Mumbai Indians is back again to face the mighty Royal Challengers Bangalore. We all know that they have a very strong batting lineup, but we all have seen oppositions taking advantage of their weak bowling side. Let's ask some fans over here what they feel that Mumbai Indians can they capitalize on their weak bowling. What do you feel?
Well, Mumbai Indians have a strong batting lineup, and seeing to RCB have better batting lineup. But when we see at their bowling lineup is quite weak of them. So according to me, the particular bowler should be targeted. If Harshal Patel plays today, he should be the one who should be targeted first. Harshal Patel he has been going for too many runs these days and not getting any wickets off. So he should be the one who should be targeted. Apart from that, Watson is their Watson is their bowling strength here. Watson is the strongest link in their bowling lineup. So Watson should also be targeted in order to threaten the whole army of their other bowling attacks. So this is my point, that target the weak link but also target Watson too. So there should be.
Do you agree to what he says?
Not totally. I think the biggest disadvantage that RCB had this entire tournament was the fielding. It was disappointing to say the least. So a lot of the batters in Mumbai are very good with the angles. So a batsman like a Josh Butler and a Rohit Sharma, they are very good at cutting angles. The RCB bowlers have failed primarily in bowling to the field. I don't think they have a weak bowling lineup. There's Chris Jordan, there's Shane Watson, there's Shamshi who's been doing good off late, but they have not bowled to the fielding plans as said by the captain. So Mumbai should capitalize on that. And Varun Aaron is one bowler. He bowls 4 good deliveries but 2 bad deliveries, which people capitalize in. So they should start from the beginning, Bombay batsmen. And the major thing that they can take advantage is the batting angles. So if the bowlers are not bowling to the fielding lineup, so they have ample number of batsmen who can take advantage of that, who are very good with the angles and stuff like that. So force should come in handy rather than playing out of the a lot of airy shots. So that is one thing. And apart from that, RCB has failed to produce game breaking stuff like an Adam Zampa did in the last match, and David Warner, people like that. So they should be wary of that, because AB de Villiers has not been on the top of his form throughout the tournament. He has had some 2-3 good scores, but not very consistent as he has been over the seasons. So that should be one thing that Bombay can take advantage of.
What do you feel?
Actually, Yuzvendra Chahal is one of the best bowlers right now for Bangalore, and Mumbai Indians should be very cautious while playing him, because we don't want another debacle as like Hyderabad. Also, Chris Jordan might be one of the best death bowlers right now they have, but he's off late he's not bowling that well. So maybe Mumbai Indians batsmen can capitalize on that and try to score some good runs, which is difficult for the opposition to beat.
So what do you feel about Yuzvendra Chahal?
See, the thing is, he bowls at parts. He's not very consistent, so there will be bowls that he will not be bowling very well. So batsmen can take advantage. Okay, it's about respecting the opposition. If there are good balls, just play it down, lower it down. But again, he will bowl the odd balls, as has been throughout the tournament. Not just Yuzvendra Chahal. There's been Chris Jordan, who's been an exceedingly good death bowler. Shane Watson, but then they again do not bowl good in parts, and batsmen take advantage, and that is where the Bombay batsman has to wait and take advantage of the bad deliveries, which are definite to come, as we have seen throughout the tournament. So that's one thing that I think stands out for Bombay.
So as we hear it from the fans today, that hit the prime bowler and you'll hit the entire army of the bowling lineup.